Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about planting red potatoes. This is the time of year when you put them in either the ground or in a container. So I'm going to plant in this 25-gallon container. I've already put in my soil. You can put anywhere from 4 to 6 inches of soil into the container. And then I'm going to take my red potato and I'm going to place it upward where the eyes have formed. With your containers, make sure you have proper drainage by placing holes around the side and the base of the container. I'm going to need my companion to assist me in placing the red potatoes in the container. This is a red potato. Red potatoes can be purchased from a feed store, or you can order them through one of the seed catalogs. Here is the eye that has formed on the potato. This is where the stem is going to come up and grow. In placing this potato in the bucket or in the container, it will be placed face up. I have covered the potatoes with soil. As the potatoes grow, I will cover more soil. Well, I will put more soil and I will keep covering it until I get to about an inch from the top. I will also include bone meal and potassium. Potatoes love potassium and bone meal, not so much nitrogen, because again, a potato is a root crop. Now, the reason why I did not cut the large potatoes is because I'm going to allow more eyes to form on it. Once the more eyes have formed on the potato, and then I'm going to cut it. But I won't be able to plant it right away because the potato is wet. If I put the wet potato in soil, it's going to rot. So I have to allow a scab to form on it and to allow it to dry out before it is planted. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.